How to log into your Royal Bank of Canada credit card account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search for Royal Bank of Canada credit card account. Then you want to click on the very first website that you can see. Now on this web page, if you have not already activated your credit card, you want to click on the option of choose your credit card. Then from here, you're going to find different types of cards. You simply want to select your credit card type. Once you have selected it, you want to click on the option of activate my card. Then over here, enter your credit card number. After that, click on the option of start activation. Now once your credit card has been activated, you want to click on the option of sign in. Then on the sign in portal, enter your credit card number or username. Check this box if you want your details to be remembered. Then click on the next option. After that, you will have to enter your password. Once you do that, if all the details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Royal Bank of Canada credit card account. In case you face any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the customer support of Royal Bank of Canada. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.